In the United States, access to high-quality schools is a critical component of children's short and long-term success. However, access to such schools is often limited to families living in higher income and disproportionately white neighborhoods. Lower-performing schools are often disproportionately located in lower-income neighborhoods and in communities of color. Some families can opt to move to higher-income areas through a rent subsidy called Housing Choice Vouchers, or HCV. This federal housing program serves over 2.3 million low-income families each year. However, many families receiving rental vouchers choose to remain in higher poverty neighborhoods with lower quality schools. Different factors can play a role in where a family decides to live or send their children to school. In some cases, inadequate or incomplete information can affect families' choices. For example, many families may not have access to information about the quality of schools in different neighborhoods. J-PAL-affiliated researcher Peter Bergman, along with co-authors Eric Chan and Adam Kapor, partnered with AffordableHousing.com, a rental listing website for rental voucher recipients that was formerly known as Go Section 8, and Great Schools, a nonprofit that provides school quality information to study the impact of providing information about school quality to website users searching for rental listings.
We know that low-income families face many barriers when searching for housing, but we believe that access to school information shouldn't be one of them. We hope that incorporating our equity-focused school quality data into the housing search process would enable and encourage low-income families to exercise school choice as part of their housing search. We were excited about the opportunity to partner with Peter Bergman to examine the role of information to support economic opportunity for families who have historically not been well served by public education.
The randomized evaluation found that providing information about the quality of schools in different neighborhoods during the housing search process increased the number of families who moved to neighborhoods with higher performing, less segregated schools.
Not only were families searching and applying to units in neighborhoods with higher quality schools, but they're actually subsequently leasing up in those neighborhoods as well. So we saw the changes all the way from the search behaviors to where they lease up. And that was really exciting for us because we weren't sure whether, at some point in the kind of theory of change, a constraint would set in that would significantly impede families from actually moving to neighborhoods with better schools. So what we're really excited about is that this offers this path to reach so many users and really help align all of the incentives again between what the private sector is trying to do, what government agencies want to do, and the end users who we're ultimately trying to serve and whose outcomes we're trying to change.
Based on the results of the evaluation, AffordableHousing.com and Great Schools partnered to provide the 60,000 daily website users of AffordableHousing.com with school quality information on an ongoing basis. This simple, low-cost intervention enables families to make more informed decisions about where to live and has the potential to advance academic opportunities and intergenerational economic mobility.
After Peter's research with Great Schools through our platform, we decided to keep that as a permanent feature of the website. So being able to provide families with information about school rating information on where they want to live actually does impact their choices. And so if we are able to do that and give our families more information and empower them to make decisions that have outcomes on their families, then we want to do that. We also have decided that, through this project that we worked on with Peter Bergman and his team, that we want to continue this partnership and conduct even more research because it helps us inform us on things that we should be focusing on. So through research, we understand the different needs out there and how we can best approach to help solving some of the biggest problems out there in finding affordable housing.